Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Marvel Tōkon, Fighting Souls Open Beta on your PC for free using the Steam Launcher. Let's get started. First, open the Steam Launcher and go to the Store tab. In the search bar, type Marvel Tōkon, Fighting Souls, and select the Marvel Tōkon, Fighting Souls Open Beta from the search results. Once you're on the Game Store page, scroll down until you find the Download or Play Game section. Click the Download button to begin the installation. The Open Beta requires approximately 15.2 gigabytes of storage space. Choose your installation location if needed, then click Install. After that, go to your library, where you'll see that Marvel Tōkon, Fighting Souls Open Beta has started downloading. Once the download is complete, simply launch the game and enjoy. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily download and install the Marvel Tōkon, Fighting Souls Open Beta on your PC for free through Steam. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.